Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got my Birchbox. Blue is right here, and this thing is stuffed to the gills, and I'll explain that to you shortly. I did cut it open. It's got stuff sticking out of it. It says, "Joy is being totally you." Birchbox is $20 a month. I bought it by the year and got a big discount on it because of that. So, I have it for a year. This is, I don't know how many months. This maybe the fourth month, maybe the fifth month. I really don't remember when I started. Maybe April, May, June, July. So maybe it's the fourth month, maybe. This month I'm very disappointed, but we'll see what I got because I can see I shouldn't be disappointed, but when I explain to you what happened, then you might understand. Okay. So in choice number, all right, how this works, how Birchbox works is you get 5 basically deluxe size samples, and you might get a full size item, very similar to Ipsy, but you get to curate this whole box for yourself. If you want to, you don't have to. So with the first choice, you can say, you choose for me. You pick there's category 1, you pick 1 item. There's category 2, you pick 1 item. And then there's category 3 that you pick 3 items. And at any time you can say, you choose for me. Or some people just don't even bother to choose. It's usually the first of the month is when I get the email about this. And I'll tell you something, the minute I get the email, I go in and I pick my stuff. So I picked something fantastic, like I can't believe they're offering this. And they sent me an email saying, just recently, saying that they ran out. I don't believe that. And they sent me something else in its place, and they sent me an extra item. So let me tell you what was available in the first choice. The first choice is mostly, not all, full-size items. So there's a set of makeup brushes that just says Birchbox on them, so I'm assuming they're their brand. There is the brand VOR, V-O-R. There was a color protectant shampoo, and then also that dry shampoo I've shown you all before. When you spritz it out, it's powder that you put in your hair. There's the brand LOC, which is Love of Color. There was a 6-set liquid shimmer eyeshadow, that $36 value. The makeup brush set was $36 value. The shampoos, the VOR brand shampoos, $24 values for both of those. There was the number 4 brand hair mask, $39. There was the LOC, Love of Color lip trio for $25. And there was Deuce lip twist, a lip liner twist. And that has a value of $22. So also, oh, there's a lot more. There's a lot more. I can see. I'm going to tell you what. All right, there's a lot more. The rest of the items, well, there's a couple more full size. There was Wander Beauty, the Mile High Mascara, $26 value. Daily Concepts. There were a couple different Daily Concepts. There was a body scrubber, $10 value, and there was a konjac sponge that was $18 value. There was the brand Arrow, which Birchbox I think owns them, maybe because it used to come in Birchbox before. There was an eyeliner, a double-ended eyeliner that was a $15 value. There's a lip balm and a lip oil. Those were like $15 values also. And then the rest were deluxe samples. I don't know why you wouldn't pick full size. Since it's available, I will always pick full size if available. I think, sometimes you're just, this goes fast, so you got to do it fast. So there was the brand El Glory. There was a deluxe size serum and a Dr. Brandt serum. And Total Results shampoo, deluxe shampoo for brassy. It was a shampoo and conditioner. You got both. And it's for brassy hair, which is blonde hair. So I didn't get those. So what did I get? Who knows? Because they said they'd send me something. So, and when I look in this box, I only have 5 things. I don't have 6 things like they promised me. So, Okay, this is what they sent me. The item that I chose that they said they didn't have is Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Moisturizer. It's $65 value. $65 value. And they sent me this. This is a dual texture scrubber. So this is nice. I've had this before. There's usually there, I think there's a place for you to put your fingers in so you can hold it and scrub. It is very nice, but these are like $8 or $10. So they sent me that. And they did not send me 6 items. So I'm not happy about that. Right there. Okay. Next category is category 2. Also had a bunch of full-size items and some deluxe samples. And again, some of they showed a lot of the same things that they showed from category 1. So there was the Deuce Lip Define Liner, Daily Concept Body Scrubber and the Konjac Sponge again, Arrow brand eyeliner, and also the lip balm and the lip oil again, the Wander Beauty Mile High Mascara. There was a jade roller that I've gotten before that I think that's an $18 value. There was the brand Melloway. That is a 2-in-1 eyeliner. One end is an eyeliner, the other end is a makeup remover, $22 value for that. And the other items were sample size besides what I got. I got a full-size item. So there was Revive brand bath oil, a Dr. Brandt serum from the first batch, you know, from that first batch. There was Extension brand mascara in the mini, Estate lipstick. Oh, that was probably a full size, the Estate lipstick. A sample size of a detangler, a hair detangler. There was El Glory, that serum, the El Glory serum. There was also that Total Results shampoo and conditioner combo. And I think that was about it for category number 2. And then what I chose, which is the EVO Skin, which I've gotten this before because I really like it. And it's a good value. This is valued at $18. There's 6 eye masks in here. And I thought, you know, why, you know, they don't keep you from getting something you've already received. So why not? These are called the Tear Catchers. And there's 6 packages in here. And this is what they look like. So that, you know, there's a tray in there and then you've got your eye gels on there. So those are very nice. They're to hydrate and brighten. And they're nice. So a full-size product, I'll take it. And then category number 3 has a lot of things. And you choose 3 things. So I'm just trying to see what 1, 2, okay, 3, okay. All right, they sent me, all right, what I could choose. Again, you can choose 1 and tell them to pick 2. You can choose 2 and tell them to pick 1, or you can have them pick all 3. So again, the full-size items, the Arrow mascara. Oh, no, that's the, this was different because that was in a brown or a black, a brown or a dark brown shade. There was the lip oil also. There was the Daily Concept Dual Scrubber, which is what I chose, $12 value. I'll show you that in a minute. There was Vitamasks, a mask that was a 3-step mask. Now, you know, some people might not consider that full size, but it's a mask, so I think that basically is a full size. Most everything in category 3 are deluxe samples. There was also that Daily Concepts, the Konjac Sponge, and the LOC Lock Liquid Highlighter. There was an Estate Highlighter, Body Shop Ginger Shampoo. That is, these rest are all deluxe samples. Dr. Lip brand Lip Balm. Chlorine brand, there was a Chlorine shampoo, and then another choice would be a conditioner. 2 different scents. There was a color protectant hair mask. There was a blonde hair mask. A lot of these didn't have names that I could clearly see. So there was the Huara skin cream, which is super tiny. You could probably put it on 1 arm. There's not much to it. The Wander Beauty Cleanser, which I chose and I don't have. That's what's missing. I chose that and I don't have it. Okay. Now it's more, when there's so many things to talk about, it's so hard to see what did I pick. Marcel mask, a Polar brand, very nice, a night elixir. Cushy brand shine mask. It was for shine and volume hair mask. There was a Green Frog brand argan oil shampoo bar. That was a bar, and that was a sample size also. There was Sand and Sky brand exfoliator. There just was so many things. There were Hugene's acid serum. There was several different kinds of shampoos and conditioners. Lots to choose from in category 3. I chose the Wander Beauty cleanser. That's what I don't have. It's a pink container. I'm sure you've seen it before. It's a pump. It's very nice. It comes out foamy, and it's a very nice. It has a lot of applications to it. I've used it before. It's very mild, very, very nice. I'm missing that, so I will have to get in touch with them. Not sure how easy that's going to be, but I chose the Daily Concept Daily Body Scrubber just because of what I could choose from. This is it looks like almost a washcloth, but it's an exfoliator. It's sealed, so I'm not going to open it. I use my sponges, y'all, so this might be in a gift or a future giveaway or something. And then also I chose this Living Proof, the full dry volume blast. It says this is a deluxe sample, but this is expensive right here because the full size of this might be $20-ish, so this might be valued at $10. And I like Living Proof hair products, and I think I've used this before and I didn't love it, but it's dry shampoo. I'll use it. It doesn't, I use a lot of dry shampoo. Some of them work pretty well and some of them work better. And I don't think this was the best I've ever used, but anyway, this is my free let's take the place of your $65 item, Mary, and give you an $8 item and whatever this is worth. I don't think this is full size. Does this look full size to you? This might be some bougie something. I don't know. It's EIR brand, NYC. It says it's a toner, and it's a hydrating face mist. It's really a cool metal container. So it's nice. It's very nice. But I don't see it anywhere in the choices. So this is what they replaced my $65 moisturizer with. Now, if we don't know about that Sunday Riley moisturizer, this is a really good box for the $17 because this right here was $18, the eye masks, okay? And then this is $12, and this is $8 or $10, I'm not sure because it wasn't on my list. This is probably $10 value, and I don't know about this. This could be considered a full size in this brand, I don't know. So it is still a very nice thing. I am gonna let them know that they shorted me an item, and I'm going to tell them what I think about not being able, they shouldn't put that there for your first choice if they didn't have enough to go around. Just saying. I know people that get this box that did not choose that. So, anyway, this is my Birchbox, y'all. So, it's, I've got it for a year. We'll see what happens when the year is up. If, I think they've been doing really well. In my opinion, each month the choices improve. There were a lot more full size this time. There was a month or two ago where there was hardly anything to pick from, in my opinion, and I ended up with like 3 lip glosses, Floss brand lip glosses, because of what there was to choose from. So I have to give them credit for that. There is just a phenomenal amount of things this month to choose from, and that is really cool. So I'll give them credits for that, and then I will see what they tell me about my missing product. So you all take care and count your blessings, and here comes Blue back again. All right, Blue, come on, come on, come on. Y'all take care, count your blessings. Good to see you. Come on, Blue. You want to sit down? Bye-bye, y'all.